Hi friends, welcome to our channel Competition Grid. Here we are going to discuss current affairs daily. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further notifications. Here we are going to discuss April 21st current affairs. So we are moving to first question. Name the person who heads the high-level task force formed by central government for vaccine and drug testing for COVID-19. These are Vinod Paul and Krishna Swamy Vijay Raghavan. These two people are head to high-level task force formed by the central government. Vinod Paul, he is a member of Niti Aayog, and Krishna Swamy is a principal secretary advisor to the government. The main objective of this task force is to catalyze national and international efforts towards vaccine development and to treat the COVID-19. Okay, moving to next question. Name the first state in the country to get geotag for community kitchens. This was tied up with a Google for Google Map location. This state is Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandi Ben Patel. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Drug Controller General of India DCGI has approved clinical trial plasma therapy submitted by ICMR. Who is present DCGI? He is VG Somani. He is head of Drugs Control General of India. Under this therapy, plasma from recovered COVID-19 individuals will be transfused into sick patients to check whether this therapy can be used as a treatment for this pandemic COVID-19. And ICMR, what is meant by an ICMR? ICMR means Indian Council of Medical Research and its headquarters located in New Delhi. Who is Director General of an ICMR? He is Dr. Balram Bhargava. Okay, moving to next question. Government has amended which policy to curb opportunistic takeover of Indian companies by neighboring nations during COVID-19 pandemic. This is FDI, Foreign Direct Investment Policy. Okay, moving to next question. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has directed states to set up renewable energy equipment manufacturing parks to meet domestic demand. Name the Renewable Energy Minister of India. He is Raj Kumar Singh. And here given some options. Nitin Gadkari. He is Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and also Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Next one, Piyush Goyal. He is Ministry of Railways, Commerce and Industry. Prakash Javadekar. He is Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, and he is also Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Jitendra Singh. He is Ministry of Development of North Eastern States and also he is in PM office and he holds certain ministries like Personal Public Grievances and Pensions and Department of Atomic Energy and Department of Space. Okay, moving to next question. Name the superhero who character was used by central government to educate kids how to beat coronavirus. This is Vayu. The government of India has designed superhero Vayu to clear queries related to coronavirus and give health tips with kids on how to combat this coronavirus pandemic. Okay, moving to next question. Next question. Name the company which has become the first member of India's gas trading platform named Indian Gas Exchange IGX, and the company is Money Current Private Limited. Moving ahead to next question. Name the private bank in India which was launched voice assistance based banking services on its integrated AI chatbot iPad with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This bank is nothing but the ICICI Bank. The headquarters of ICICI Bank is located in Mumbai, and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. Next question. What is the reduced limit in GSEX through foreign portfolio investment for the financial year 21 as per RBI? Its existing limit is 2.34 lakh crore. And next question. What is India's revised GDP growth forecast as per Fitch Solution Credit Agency? And it is 1.8%. Previously, it was declared as 2%, and due to this lockdown, again it was revised and it was gave as 1.8%. What is the name of interministerial teams which was formed by central government under Disaster Management Act 2005? And it was 6 member interministerial team. It was 6 members interministerial team. The main objective of this team is to make on the spot assessment of the situation and issue necessary directions to readdressal of state authorities and to submit their report to central government so as to fight and contain the spread of this coronavirus. So, this was a 6 member interministerial team which was formed by the central government under this Disaster Management Act 2005. Okay, moving to next question. Praveen Kumar Purwal, the chairman and managing director CMD of BSNL, has taken over additional charge as the CMD of Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited for 6 months. Where is the headquarters of MTNL located? It was located in New Delhi. Moving to next question. Name the person who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. He is Dipankar Datta. He is appointed as Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Another 2 members are also appointed, and they are Bishwant Somadhar. He is appointed as Chief Justice of Meghalaya High Court. Muhammad Rafi, he is appointed as Chief Justice of Orissa High Court. Who is the present Chief Justice of India? He is Sharath Arvind Bobde. And moving ahead to next question. The G20 health ministers meeting about COVID-19 was conducted recently. Name the person who is present Health and Family Welfare Minister of India. He is Dr. Harshvardhan. Okay, moving to next question. Who is head of empowered committee formed by government to look into supply chain and logistics management and availability of necessary items such as food and medicines? He is P. Iyer. Actually, government formed two empowered committees to look into implementation of exist from lockdown by states to ensure that only areas designated as hotspots continue with their strict restrictions. Under that first committee to over to oversee the facilitating of supply chain and logistic management of and necessary items such as food and medicines. It was headed by P. Iyer. He is Secretary of the Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation. And second committee is for the purpose of public grievances and suggestions to look into any problems in concern with the exit from the lockdown. It is headed by Amit Khare. He is Secretary of Minister of Human Resource and Development. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Name the person who is the head of empowered committee formed by the government for the purpose of public grievances and suggestions to look into any problems concerning to the. It is Amit Khare. As I discussed earlier, the government formed two committees. This is the second committee and it was headed by Amit Khare. Okay, moving to next question. Researchers at Indian Institute of Astrophysics IIA has discovered hundreds of lithium rich gained stores recently. Where is IIA located? IIA is located in Bangalore, which is capital of Karnataka. Okay, moving to next question. Which Institute of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR has collaborated with King's George Medical University KGMU to sequence virus strains obtained from COVID-19 patients? It is Central Drug Research Institute located in Lucknow, which is capital of Uttar Pradesh. Next question. Name the astronauts who were sent to International Space Station by NASA and SpaceX. They are Doug Hurley, Bob Behnken. These two persons were sent to space by NASA and SpaceX after 9 years. Next question. Indian Institute of Geomagnetism has developed a global model to predict the ionospheric electron density, which is needed for communication and navigation. Where is IIG located? Indian Institute of Geomagnetism is located in Navi Mumbai. Moving to next question. To whom the central government created and launched an online data pool to combat and contain COVID-19? The answer is volunteers and healthcare profession. For these two people, the central government created and launched an online data pool. Next question. Name the person who authored the book titled How the Onion Got Its Layers. And she is Sudha Murthy. The book is being released in its ebook and audio form for young children. Abba Kyari, the chief of staff to Muhammadu Buhari, passed away recently. Muhammadu Buhari is the president of which country? He is president of Nigeria. Capital and currency of Nigeria. Capital is Abuja and currency is Naira. Okay, moving to next question. April 19th of every year will be observed as which day? It was observed as World Liver Day. World Liver Day is observed every year on April 19th to spread awareness about the importance of liver in our body and liver related diseases. Moving ahead to next question. When was the United Nations Chinese Language Day celebrated annually? It was celebrated on April 20th. April 20th of every year is observed as the Chinese Language Day by the United Nations as a contribution of Chinese literature, poetry and language as well as to celebrate the multilingualism. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends.